guys, it's Valerie here. So in this video I'm going to be doing a hair review again because I saw that my other hair review, like, it got like 1,000 views. So I'm like, maybe you guys want to see hair reviews. So this is going to be another hair review. This hair is from Beautifying Hair Extension. They reached out to me. I was talking to Alexandra and she wanted me to do a hair review for you guys and, you know, talk about the hair, what I like and everything. So that's what I'm doing. So they sent me this hair. Let me just get all of the information. I'll take a screenshot so you guys know the hair details and everything down below. So this hair is a 360 lace wig, 180 density full lace wig, human hair wigs, Brazilian hair deep curl. So that is what I'm wearing. I love it so much. It's so freaking natural, and although it doesn't say pre-plucked, I do feel like it is pre-plucked, and if it's not, I don't know how to pluck. So you're just gonna see the full scoop in this video. How I install this wig, and a couple of cute styles, and how just everything. I think I talk about everything in this video. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm ready. Just kidding. I do like this wig though. I already tried it on my head. I didn't cut the lace because I'm gonna cut it here on the channel so you guys can see. So this is what the wig looks like on my head. It is a little snug. So if you guys do order hair from them, if you're typically a medium, go for a large. So this hair smells like Irish Spring, no lie. Smell Irish Spring soap than smell chemicals in the hair. But it does have baby hairs. I do like that. First thing I do is that I will take the hair, pull it back, pull everything back so I can see what I'm cutting. Then I'm just gonna take some scissors. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the scissors and cut the lace. Just want to be careful. Just cut a little bit. I don't like when my ears don't show, so I'm cutting all of this so my ears have room to breathe. You want to make sure you have space so you can cut the ears. This is what I use to secure my wigs. Nothing else, just these two. Practically glue the spray and the gel. Take some gel off the black bottle and add it into my forehead. And I always put the gel like an inch or two before my hairline because I do not want that shit on my edges. But if it does get on your edges, it's fine. I always get some on my edges anyways, but if you can refrain from putting them on your edges, then it's good. I'm gonna spray wherever I just added the gel. I take the blow dryer and blow dry it until it gets tacky. And I'm just gonna continue to do this process over and over again until the whole wig is laid down, okay? Alright, so this is the finished look. This is the wig. To be honest, when I first touched the hair, I liked it, but I didn't think it was gonna turn out like this. Like, I freaking love this hair. It's so cute. It's perfect for the summertime. Now, this hair, you can part it literally anywhere. It is a 360. It is a full lace wig. That's what it says. So you can part this hair wherever you want, but I just like the way it looks like that. Like, I would probably part it somewhere if I want to style it a certain way. You know, it's really, really pretty. And then you can add foundation onto the hairline, onto the roots, which is what I did. I literally just added foundation onto the hairline to match better. But just look at this, it's so freaking cute. I love it. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick style that I would do with this hair. I'm definitely hooked. This is my summer hair. So this is the finished product. It's so beautiful. Look at the hair. It's gorgeous. So that is my review on the hair. So I showed you guys how I install it, how it looks like when I originally got it, and to be honest, this hair looks good straight out of the package. Like, I literally just took the hair out of the package, I played with it, I put it on my head, I gelled it down, cut the lace, gelled it down, and it just looks bomb just like that. But now, when you wet it, it's like, I love this. Look at this. It's so freaking nice and gorgeous. Like, you can tone down the puffiness. And then when it dries, it's just going to be so pretty. And then imagine if you add some curly hair products to it. Scrumptious. I really like it. It's nice. It's soft. You can run my hands through it. You can do so many styles with this hair. So it's very versatile too as to which parting you can do. Style. You can part this straight back. I'm so excited. So yeah, so again, this hair is from Beautifying Hair Extensions. I'll leave all of their social medias down below. This hair was $200. Now it does depend on which inches that you get, so it can be cheaper and it can be more expensive. My hair, this is 20 inches in case I didn't say before, but this is 20 inches. So if you like something a little bit longer, so it's going to be a little bit more expensive, but yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you guys enjoy the video, and I hope that you guys can check out some of the links to this hair store down below if you guys are interested, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys!